वेलकम टू वेल्स क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. मानता तुमी सगळीं बरी आसली, सावध आनी भलायकी. सो टुडे आय एम गोइंग टू शो यू ऑल fish and chips. Fish and chips is very simple and easy, but in UK and now it is available in Goan restaurants also. They serve this fish and chip on shacks and all. So for that we need fish and a fish which is very firm. So I have taken this sea bass, that is Barramundi Sea Bass. Uh, it's a pink perch also, and in Konkani we call it Chonak. So I got full fish Chonak for around 1200 rupees, and such a big I will not serve, so I will make into two halves, but you can dip it in the batter and you can fry if you have a bigger wok or pan. So let's cut it as per we want. So I will take like this. So how you want, and we will marinate it as per how we want. So I have cut in this way, so we get a shape also, and then now we will apply salt to this. It's a very tasty fish. Then we will add a pepper powder to this. A proper pepper powder. So this is what I am doing marination for this. So it was like 780 for a kg, and I got this for a good deal. These are the small also we can fry. And we'll apply some lime also for this. And we'll leave this for marination. Then I will apply a little bit of our ginger garlic paste. So in UK and some restaurants they don't apply so much of marination, but we in Goa love our fish to be marinated nicely, so that we get all the flavors in this fish. And here is the lime juice. One lime juice is enough. So let's leave this for at least for 30 to 1 hour for nicely marination. Now we'll start for the next process. What we need for our batter is 1 cup of plain flour, that is maida, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. So these are the ingredients what we need for our batter. Then we add some salt to this, a proper salt, some pepper powder, and we mix all this and we keep. Then at the time we are going to fry this, we need chilled sparkling water, or soda, we call it sparkling water, or you can add beer too. Then we need some flour, plain flour for dusting. So let's start. So here my oil is hot and I will fry my chips because it is fish and chips. So now let and dust this nicely and keep aside. So yes, you need vessels, but it's worth doing this. Dust this. And we need 1 cup of soda for this batter. And our chips are almost ready, so we can take out and keep it aside. So we'll take 1 cup in measurement chilled soda. We call it soda, but otherwise it is called sparkling water, and we will mix this. So my batter is ready. My oil is hot over there. I've taken a bigger one because my fish is bigger pieces, but depending on the fish size what you are using, you can use your pan. The oil is hot as it has to be hot. So now let's dip this in this nicely and then put it in the pan. Same way the other piece. Okay, So it has to be golden brown. So I have turned it also and I have showed you. It's nicely getting crispy. If you are doing on induction and all, then it is 180 degrees to 190. So it's ready. So it has to be golden brown, and now it's time to remove and serve. So this is how we have to serve this when we are serving chips and fish, and these are the sauces which I have made at home. So this is mayonnaise, which is also called tartar sauce, with mustard sauce and some of my basils, all mix it is. So this is homemade. This is tomato sauce with some coriander leaves which from our garden, and this is yogurt again mixed with some dill and all that. Okay, hope you all will enjoy this. Thank you.
And this is how you can cut it. It's very hot. So this is how it is inside. You can cut it in 3. So this is how I've cut it into 4 pieces. It's nice and yummy. Enjoy.